Hello my dear students, I welcomes to my YouTube channel. Before myself, Tirunagaram Manohar, Department of Mathematics, University College of Science, Tumkur, Karnataka. And my mobile number is 6302026237 and 89850 My dear students, this is about my brief introduction. Now I came here to introduce of Algebra and Calculus 2, which is a BSc of Tumkur University. So under BSc of Tumkur University, I am dealing with unit 1, that is called beautiful and interesting topic, line and multiple integrals. And that line and multiple integrals already part 5 completed. If you not watched that previous videos, please watch that previous videos and come to this part 6. So in the previous videos already some line and multiple integrals I did some problems. Okay my dear students, if you not subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar, that is TIRUNAGARAM MANOHR. Please subscribe my YouTube channel as Tirunagaram Manohar and like this video, share to your friends as well as write your valuable comments on my comment box. Okay my dear students, in the previous videos I completed up to 11 problems and 12th problems. Okay, I told in this video we'll start that 12 problems onwards. So that is 12th problem is evaluate integral C 2x plus y into ds where C is the where C is the curve which is in xy plane, in the xy plane given by x square plus y square is equal to 25. Okay, and s is the arc length parameter. S is the arc length parameter. Arc length parameter from the point from the point 3 comma 4, from the point 3 comma 4 to 4 comma 3 along the shortest path, along the shortest path, excuse me, along the shortest path. So this is the given question, shortest path. Okay my dear students, see here what is the question. See here, evaluate integral C 2x plus y into ds value where C is the curve here, where C is the curve which is in the xy plane and that is given by x square plus y square is equal to 25 and s is the arc length parameter from the point 3 comma 4 to 4 comma 3 along the shortest path. This is the beautiful and important question my dear students, important for 5 marks question. Okay, here arc length parameter from the point of 3 comma 4 to 4 comma 3 along the shortest path and the given that in the xy plane x square plus y square is equal to 25. So that's why before this directly solving the integral C 2x plus y into ds, we must know the parametric equation of this circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. Okay, that parametric equations we want to use here my dear students. So we all know the parametric equations, parametric equations of the given circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. 25 I am writing 5 square. So that's why the parametric equations are, we know that parametric equations are x is equal to r cos theta. Here r how much is there? 5 is there. So that's why 5 cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Here r value 5 into sin theta, 5 into sin theta. These are the parametric equations of the given circle, and theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. 0 is less than or equals to, theta is less than or equals to 2 pi. Okay, my dear students. See here, before that, first we have to differentiate with respect to the theta on both sides. Differentiate with respect to theta. So that's why dxy d theta is equal to what? R is the constant. Sorry, 5 is the constant. Here 5. R is nothing but how much? 5 is constant. Differentiation of cos theta what? Minus sin theta. So that's why minus sin theta I am writing here. Again, dy by d theta is nothing but is nothing but 5 into differentiation of sin theta cos theta. Now, first of all, what do you want to find? Here in this integral, ds is there. So that's why we want to find a ds value for first of all. So therefore we know that ds by d theta is equal to square root of dx by d theta whole square plus dy by d theta whole square. My dear students, see here, this value we want to apply here. So square root of dx by d theta value what? Minus 5 sin theta. Whole square means 5 square means 25 sin square theta plus here 5 cos theta dy by d theta value. Whole square means again 5 square cos square theta. That is 5 square means 25 cos square theta. So in this two term 25 is the common. So that's why under root 25 5 into sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So that's why ds by d theta value how much? 5 will come. Okay, under this make it ds as subject. Ds is equal to 5 into d theta. Ds is equal to 5 into d theta, my dear students. I hope you all understood this one. Again, I will move on to the next step. That is the arc length parameter from the point 3 comma 4 to 4 comma 3, like that is given. So that's why here arc length parameter from the point 3 comma 4 to 4 comma 3 we want to. So that's why theta, that means see here arc length parameter how will come means this is x axis, this is x dash, this is y and y dash. Here origin is there, here origin is there. 3 comma 4 somewhere will come here, 3 comma 4 point. Next 4 comma 3 here somewhere will come 4 comma 3. So arc length parameter, this one. So we want to find this area. This area we want to find. This one we want to find, my dear students. This one. For this purpose, this one in where is there? In the first quadrant is there, this one. So that's why this theta varies from 0 to what? Pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. So that's why here theta varies from where to where? 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 in first quadrant. So theta varies here. Theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, my dear students. So now the given equation becomes integral C. What is that? Integral C, given that 2x plus y into ds. 2x. First we have to write 2x plus y into ds. So this is equal to integral. See curve from where to where? Oh, changing from 0 to pi by 2. Curve 0 to pi by 2 is varying in of 2 into x value. X value how much? 5 cos theta here is there. X value 5 cos theta is there. X value 5 cos theta plus y value 5 sin theta into ds value here is there 5 into d theta. This ds value 5 into d theta. Okay, my dear students, next step. This is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Here 5 is there. 5 to the 10 will come. 5 to the 10 will come. So sorry, I missed. I did 5 cos theta. 2x. 2x means 5 cos theta. 2 into 5 cos theta plus 5 means 5 sin theta. In this two term which is common, 5 common, already 5 is there. So that's why what will happen? 5 into 5. Already one 5 is there. One more 5 common, take common. So again remaining 2 cos theta plus sin theta is there into d theta. Now this is ready for integration. So 25 into 2, right, as it is integral cos theta d theta. Integral cos theta sin theta, my dear students. Okay, integral sin theta d theta minus cos theta. Minus cos theta. So intervals from where to where changes? 0 to pi by 2. Carefully you want to apply all values. 25 into 2 into upper limit. What? 90. Pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 minus. For both terms we want to apply first upper limit. Again for both terms we want to apply lower limit. 2 into sine of 0. So minus of minus plus cos of 0. Okay. Okay, see my dear students. 25 into 2 into sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 value how much? 1 minus cos 90. Cos pi by 2 value 0 minus 2 into sin 0 value 0 plus cos 0 value how much? 1. Cos 0 value 1. So again see here what will happen? 25 into 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is equal to 25 into 3. How much? 75 is the answer. 75. This area. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all understood. I will move on to the next question. I will move on to the next question. That is 13th question. 13th question. Evaluate integral C of x plus 2y into dx plus 4 minus 2x into dy. 4 minus 2x into dy around the ellipse. Around the ellipse. What is that ellipse? X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 in the counterclockwise. In the counterclockwise. So this is one beautiful question. See here, we want to find the integral of x plus 2y into dx plus 4 minus 2x into dy around the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 in the counterclockwise. So that's why, what is the given ellipse? This one, x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So that's why for that ellipse we must know the parametric equations. So, okay my dear students, the parametric equations are what are the parametric equations of ellipse? Parametric equations of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1, or what are the parametric equation? See here, the parametric equation are x is equal to r cos theta. Here r is equal to how much? X coefficient. So that's why 16 is nothing but 4 square. So that's why 4 cos theta. And y is equal to r sin theta. R sin theta. Here r is equal to how much? 3 sin theta. 3 sin theta. Okay, my dear students. Here and theta varies from 0 is less than or equals to theta is less than or equals to 2 pi. Ellipse for the ellipse. So we want to make it first of all differentiate with respect to theta. So dx is equal to what? Minus r sin theta into d theta. So differentiation of cos theta minus sin theta, r constant. So r means here 4. R means how much? 4. Okay, my dear students. Next, similarly, dy is equal to 3 sin theta. So differentiation of sin theta, cos theta into d theta. So this is the differentiation. Now, see what will happen? The given integration, integral C, what is that? This one, x plus 2y into dx, x plus 2y into dx plus of 4 minus 2y, sorry, 4 minus 2x into dy. 4 minus 2x into dy is given. So that this is equal to curve changes from 0 to 2 pi. Now we want to apply all values. First of all, x value. X value how much here? 4 cos theta. So x is nothing but 4 cos theta plus 2 into y value 4 sin theta. Y value 4 sin theta. We want to apply. Sorry, not 4. Y value 3 sin theta. 3 sin theta into dx value. Dx value how much? Here I will open bracket into dx value minus 4 sin theta into d theta. Minus 4 sin theta into d theta. Okay, next one more term is there, plus 4 minus 2x. Again x value how much? 4 cos theta. 4 cos theta into dy. dy value. dy value how much here? 3 cos theta into d theta. 3 cos theta into d theta. This is okay. What will happen? See here in this integral 0 to 2 pi, right as it is. Integral 0 to 2 pi, right as it is. Here multiply with this one, minus 4 is sin theta into 4 cos theta, minus plus into minus, minus 4 4 is 16 sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta, plus plus into minus, minus 2 3 are 6, 6 4 is 24 sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Completed. Next this one, 4 3 are 12 cos theta. Next minus 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24 cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta into d theta. In both the d theta is there. Okay, see what will happen here. Integral 0 to 2 pi, integral 0 to 2 pi, I am writing this one as here minus 16, I am split it as minus 8 into 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, my dear students, here in these two terms, here minus 24 take common into sin square theta plus remaining cos square theta. Again last term, what is that? Plus 12 cos theta is there, plus 12 cos theta into d theta. Okay, my dear students, what will happen? See here, integral, before going to integration, simplify it. Okay, minus 8, right as it is. 2 sin theta cos theta. How much? Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta minus 24 into sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 12 cos theta. This is the this is ready for the integration now, right now. So now integrate it. Minus 8 as constant. So integral sin 2 theta d theta. Integral sine, first of all integral sine minus cos. Here 2 theta I is there. So that's why divide by 2 will come. Okay. Next minus 24 into integral 1 d theta. That means theta will come. Okay, plus 12 into integral cos theta d theta means sin theta. Here theta is there. Sin theta. Careful agi it go. So limits apply for all terms. Here 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. First of all, you have to apply all upper limits. So here 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja get cancelled. So see here what will happen? Minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 into cos of 2 into 2 pi. How much? 4 pi. For upper limit applying, I am applying upper limit for all terms. Okay. Minus 24 into upper limit what? 2 pi plus 12 into sine 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi. For all terms upper limit completed. Next lower limit. So here plus becomes minus 4 into cos 0. Where theta is there, in that place we have to apply 0. So minus into minus plus 24 into 0. Here minus 12 into sine of 0. Upper limit completed. Now see what will happen. What will happen? See here. Plus 4 into cos 4 pi value. How much? Cos 4 pi value. My dear students, cos 4 pi value how much? 1. Cos 4 pi value 1 minus 24 to the 48. 48. See here, cos 4, cos 2 pi, cos 4 pi, cos 6 pi, cos 8 pi value 0. Okay, 0. So 24 to the 48 pi plus 12 into sin 2 pi value 0. Sin 2 pi value 0. Sorry, excuse me. Cos 2 pi value 1. Okay, sin 2 pi value 0. Again minus 4 into cos 0 value 1 plus 0. 24 into 0, 0 plus 12 into sin 0 value 0. So this will come. Here minus 4 into 1 no, plus 4 into 1 get cancelled. Here 12 into 0, 0. So what will happen? Minus 48 pi. Minus 48 pi answer. Okay, I hope you all understood, my dear students. I hope you all understood. Okay, I will left to you one question for your doing purpose. Here, that is 14th question. Similar question. Evaluate integral C for the same value x plus 2y into dx plus of 4 minus 2x into dy around the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1 in the counterclockwise. In the counterclockwise. In the counterclockwise. Clockwise, counterclock and the opposite. So ಈ direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ angle ತಕೋಬೇಕು opposite direction, that is 0 to 2 pi. So see here, this is left to you, you must do it. Okay, so with this line integral complete ಆಯ್ತು. Some applications of line integral. Applications of line integral ಅಲ್ಲಿ applications of line integral. In these applications of line integral, first one vector line integral. Vector line integral. Vector line integrals. And using path integration we will find the line integral. That is second one. First of all, vector line integral we will discuss. Vector line integral. Vector line integral, f bar vector is equal to f1 I cap plus f2 j cap plus f3 k cap be a vector field. Be a vector field whose components are here f1 f2 f3. Here f1 f2 f3 are the components, and these are the integrable, and these let these f1 f2 and let these f1 comma f2 comma f3 are integrable along the given curve, or integrable along curve C, along the curve C. So now the vector line integral of the f. Now the vector line integral. Now vector line integral of f along the curve C, along the curve C from the given point, from the point A to B, from the point A to B is defined as see here, integral A to B f dot ds. This is capital F dot ds, or f bar dot ds bar. Okay, this is nothing but I cap into integral A to B. This f value how much? f1 into ds plus j cap into integral A to B f2 into ds plus k cap into integral A to B f3 into ds. Like this we will split it. Or we can also define the line integral. We can also define the line integral of the form cross product. This is a dot product, or work done or dot product. So cross product again, f bar cross dr, a small r or capital R, whatever it will, f cross dr, where r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So that is, this is nothing but integral f cross t into ds. Like this way we will express. Okay, I hope you all understood. I will move on to the next one. Small note I will discuss here. Small note. So see here, the unit tangent to t, the unit tangent T to a curve C is itself a vector field. To a curve C is itself a vector field. Mind it, vector field. Okay, unit tangent T to a curve C itself a vector field. Define on C. Define on C. This is the note. Okay, I hope you all understood. I will move on to the next one. Now, some worked problems on this vector line integral. See here, worked problems. Worked problems. First one. First one, see here. Evaluate integral 0 to a f cross dr or f bar dot dr bar, f bar cross dr bar. And also one more question, and also integral 0 to 1 f bar dot ds. F dot ds is cross product dot product, where f is equal to, like point wise I am giving, x comma 2y comma 3z along the curve, capital or small r, capital R, whatever it may be. This one, small r is equal to t comma 1 by root 2 into t square comma 1 by 3 into t cube from the origin O, from the origin O to the point A1 comma 1 by 2 into root 2 comma 1 by 3. This is one beautiful and interesting question, my dear students. See here, we want to evaluate integral 0 to a f bar cross dr bar. So like this also they will give, not a problem. F bar cross dr bar and integral 0 to 1 f dot ds, that or f bar dot ds bar antam they will give, not a problem. Where here f is equal to, in the form of a point is given, x comma 2y comma 3z along the curve r is equal to t comma 1 by root 2 t square comma 1 by 3 t cubed is given, from the origin to the point is given. So this one we want to find, my dear friends. See here, from the solution part we want to see. Now we want to see solution part. First of all, what is given? We have capital F is given. What is that? Capital F is equal to x comma 2y comma 3z is given, and r is given, or small r or capital R, not a problem. So small r is equal to what is given? T comma 1 by root 2 into t square comma 1 by 3 into 3 t cubed is given, my dear students. Now what you want to find means f bar vector. We want to find f bar vector. Okay, using f bar vectors we want to find like this. Here coefficients we have to say x coefficient I cap comma y coefficient 2 j cap comma z coefficient 3 k cap into dot this r. R is what? T comma 1 by root 2 t square comma 1 by 3 t cube. We want to product it. So I into t, what? T into I cap plus 2j into 1 by root 2 t square. 2 into 1 by root 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? root 2 t square into j cap plus 3k cap into 1 by 3 t cube. 3 get cancelled. So t cube into k cap will come, my dear friends. This is about f bar vector. F bar vector. Now what do you want to find? Again dr bar. Dr bar is equal to differentiate this r. So differentiation of t is what? 1. Come on, differentiation of 1 by root 2, right? As it is differentiation of t square 2t, comma 1 by 3, right? As it is differentiation of t cubed 3t square. This is nothing but 1 comma 2 by root 2 I am writing root 2. 2 by root 2 I am writing root 2 into t. Next 3 get cancelled, t square. This is the dr bar vector, dr bar value. Now for the first question, what do you want to find? For the first question, f bar cross dr bar we want to find. So for the first question, what do you want? F bar cross dr bar, or simply f cross dr, both. This is nothing but cross product I cap, j cap, k cap. So f bar coefficients. Either t root 2 t square t cubed, t root 2 t square t cube. Next to dr bar coefficients 1 root 2 t square. So make it, find the determinant value. So this is nothing but expand along first row. So I cap into first row, first column is root 2 t square into t square. What? Root 2 t square into t square, t to the power of 4 minus root 2 t into t cubed. So root 2 t into t cubed, how much? T to the power of 4. This is first term completed. Next minus j cap into first row, second column is t into t square t cubed minus 1 into t cube minus t cube will come. Again plus k cap into first row, third column is t into root 2t, that is root 2 t square, root 2 t square minus 1 into root 2 t square, that is root 2 t square, root 2 t square. See here, my dear friends, I'll open new page. Just a second. Just a second. One more page. If you want, I will. Okay, my dear students, see here what will happen. I will change my pen options. Okay, see here this one I cap into same terms are there. This root 2 t to the power of 4 minus root 2 t to the power of 4 cancel. Here plus t cube minus t cube get cancelled. This one get cancelled. Total value how much? 0. Work done is what? F bar cross dr bar value 0. Work done value 0. So therefore integral 0 to a f bar cross dr bar value how much? 0. This is the answer. Okay. And the second one is what? Second one dot product. Second one dot product we want to do. Same. What is that? Second one, see here. ds also is there. ds also we want to find. Very, very important. Before finding the ds, we want to find f bar. Already we find that. What is that? T into I cap plus root 2 into t square into j cap plus t cubed into k cap is there. F bar vector here is there. This one I wrote as it is. Okay. Next and R point, in R point, treat as x and y, z. So that's why x is equal to first point. Here R point is given. R point. Here f x. Here f t. This treat as x, y and z. So that's why x is equal to t, y is equal to 1 by root 2 t square, and z is equal to 1 by 3 t cube. Like this we want to treat. Okay, now differentiate with respect to t on both sides. Differentiate with respect to t on both sides. dx by dt is equal to 1, comma, dy by dt is equal to 1 by root 2, right, as it is, into 2t, and dz by dt is equal to 1 by 3, right, as it is, 3 into t square. So that means that what will happen? What will happen, my dear students? dxy dt is equal to 1, comma, dy by dt is equal to 2 by root 2t, and dz by dt is equal to 3 get cancelled, t square. Now what do you want to find? ds, find ds by dt. We know that square root of dx by dt whole square plus dy by dt whole square plus dz by dt whole square, my dear students. This one. Now we want to apply all values in this formula. Here ds by dt is equal to dx by dt value how much? 1. So 1 whole square plus here dy by dt means root 2 t square. That means whole square means 2t square plus here t square is there. Whole square means t to the power of 4. So here square root of 1 plus 2t square plus t to the power of 4 is there. So that's why make it perfect square root of this one. So this is nothing but I am writing square root of t square plus 1 whole square, this one. So by expanding that will come. Here square root square get cancelled. So what will happen? dsy dt is equal to t square plus 1 is there. T square plus 1. Now we want ds is equal to t square plus 1 into dt. T square. This is the ds value, my dear students. ds value. Now what do you want to find? Integral 0 to 1 f dot ds value we want to find. So that's why integral 0 to 1 f value how much is given? Here is that t I cap plus root 2 t square j cap. So I am writing here t into I cap plus root 2 into t square root 2 into t square j cap plus t cubed into k cap. This is the f. Next ds value how much? Here is there t square plus 1 into dt. So now we want to simplify this value. Okay, that's why first of all one step multiply it, t square plus 1 integral 0 to 1 t square plus 1 into t into I cap plus t square plus 1 into root 2 t square into j cap plus again t square plus 1 into t cubed into k cap into dt is there. Okay, my dear students, now we want to make it integrate this one. Okay, this I cap is the constant. I cap is the constant. So t square into t is how much? T cubed. By integrating t cubed, what will come? T to the power of 4 by 4 will come. Plus integral 1 into t. Integral t dt, t square by 2 into I cap. Okay, plus here root 2 t square into t square. How much? Root 2 t to the power of 4. By integrating that, t to the power of 5 by 5 will come. Plus root 2 t square into 1, root 2 t square. By integrating it, root 2 t square, integrating it, t cubed by 3 will come into what? J cap, into j cap, plus here t cubed into t square. How much? T to the power of 5. T to the power of 5. By integrating that, t to the power of 6 by 6 plus t cubed plus t cubed into 1 t cubed. By integrating that, t to the power of 4 by 4 into k cap. Now limits apply carefully. Where to where? 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So by applying that limits, the answer will finish. So upper limit 1, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Lower limit, for both lower limit, this will become 0 into I cap, plus here root 2 by 5, root 2 by 5 will come, plus here root 2 by 3 will come by applying upper limit. Lower limit applying 0 will come. So into j cap, plus here also 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 into k cap will come. So for lower limit, all terms will become 0. So 1 by 2 LCM, how much? 4 is the LCM. 1 plus 2 will come into I cap, plus here 5 3 is 15 is the LCM. So that is 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2 will come. 5 root 2 will come into j cap, into j cap. Just a second. Here LCM of 6 and 4 is, LCM of 6 and 4 is, see here LCM of 6 and 4 is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are, so 2 3 are 6, 6 2s are 12. So LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. So my dear friends, so 1 by 6 into 12, 2 will come, 2 will come. Okay, next 1 by 4 into 12, 3 will come into k cap. Okay, my dear students. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 by 4 into I cap, plus one more light will bring. Okay, plus 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2, how much? 8 root 2 by 15 into j cap, plus 5 by 12 into k cap will come. This is the final answer, my dear students. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this video lecture series. Okay, stay home, be happy, be healthy.